Hey, welcome back to another episode of 501 BBQ. I'm Brian Robinson. Today we are going to show y'all how we smoke up some cheese. We're going to do that on our brand new, cooked on twice, Hasty Bake HB 250. So let's get going. So what we're smoking today is we got one block of Colby Jack, Monterey Jack, some mild cheddar, and pepper jack. So what we're going to do to cold smoke these, it is about 50 degrees outside. You definitely want to do this whenever it is colder. That way your cheese don't melt, obviously. And so we have this, hey buddy. We have this right here. This is called an Amazing pellet tray. This is for cold smoking. They have this in a tube or in this tray here. So what you do is fill these up with pellets. You light it right here and it just burns around and just gives you a good light smoke for this cold smoking. This can be used in a hot grill as well to give you more smoke, whether that be in a gas grill or a pellet grill or whatever. So today we are going to be using some Barbecuer's Delight pecan pellets. And so all we're going to do is pull this little tray out, slide our charcoal basket, and so we're just going to fill this up. We're only going to be smoking this for about 2 hours probably. And so we just want to fill in this. I know from experience I don't have to do that last trough there. So we're going to fill this in right here and then take a torch, a butane lighter, something like that. A regular just lighter really doesn't work that well. So all we're going to do is stick this in here. You want to let it go for about 30 seconds. That way you know it's smoking good and it's all caught. Back, it's hot. Alright, that looks good right there. So this is just going to kind of keep flaming up. There we go. So now all I'm going to do is get this back in the charcoal basket. We're going to slide that in. We're going to shut this, and you just want to make sure all the air intakes and exhaust are wide open. So you can see we've got a good smoke coming through now. Is that some cheese? Here. But we got some good smoke coming through. And so we're just going to kind of shut this. We're going to let it roll right at about an hour, and then we'll check on it. But we'll probably let it go a total of 2 hours. So y'all stick around. All right, this cheese has been smoking right at an hour, so we are going to see what it's looking like here. We still got some good smoke rolling. Looks like some of this Monterey Jack and Pepper Jack is taking on just a little bit darker of a color. Looking good to me. I think we're just going to let it keep on rolling, and we'll probably come back at the 2 hour mark, see how it's looking. Our cheese has been on right at an hour and a half, and so I think we are going to look at it and we may give it a flip. They're really taking on some color now, and you'll really be able to tell on this pepper jack underneath it. So we're going to give all these a flip. And so I think our 2 hour mark, that's going to be about right. So we are going to let these roll for another 30 minutes. And I'll show you our pellets down here. So they've burned up to here. So we've still got a lot of pellets left. So this thing will burn a long, long time. So I will come back to y'all whenever these things are done. Cheese has been on for right at 2 hours, so we are gonna call it good. Unlatch. Still got some good smoke rolling, but we have kind of learned that about 2 hours of smoke is what we like. So it's just kind of up to you to figure out how much smoke you want on it. So it looks good. I mean, you can definitely tell by these marks that it did take on that smoke flavor. It looks good to me. So all we're gonna do now is we'll wrap these up in some saran wrap, or you can vacuum seal and leave them in the refrigerator for about a week and just kind of let them rest in there. That flavor will help just kind of distribute that smoke flavor and it'll mellow out. Be good to go. All right, I just pulled that cheese off, wrapped it up, got it in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it hang out there for about a week, or as long as we can take it. We're gonna get us some summer sausage, some crackers. It's gonna be some good stuff. So check out the amazing pellet tube, the amazing pellet tray. I'll put that website in the description below where you can check that out, where you can add smoke to whatever you want. So appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a good day.